Hi friends, we are David and Whitney Scott, and we just got something exciting in the mail and thought we would show you what the unboxing of this new product actually looks like. We have not seen it yet, and so we're excited to check it out with you.
And by excited, I mean with their DHL shipping, we got it in America in what, 3 days? So it's not like a long wait, but we're still anticipating what we ordered. And what we got are their new walnut image boxes with the front display. They're fantastic. We've only seen them on the trade show floor. We actually haven't gotten one in person.
Here we go.
All right, and we've got two of them in here, an 8x10 and an 11x14.
I think in Europe they say 10 by 8.
10 by 8.
They're
Yeah, they're
so
backwards.
backwards, aren't they? Okay.
Or we are, one of the two.
Yes.
All right, what do we get?
Satisfaction guaranteed. I love that.
Checklist of everything we got in here. Very cool.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's a fine quality item. That's heavy.
So I know you're wanting to see the boxes, but first,
yeah.
in this package, we've got their beautiful bags with linen ties on the top, heavy duty, but they help your brand because what I'm saying is they're really nice.
Well, and you get to select, so when you're ordering, you select what color bag you want. So if you ordered one of the duck egg blue boxes, you can get a matching duck egg bag. Yeah, and these are super heavy duty because obviously they have to carry these heavy boxes.
And they're sized for the type of box you order,
Yeah.
so they're not going to be too big or too small.
Okay, you know what this is?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You know what this is?
I do know what that
Okay,
is.
tell the people what this is.
That is the false bottom?
Yeah, okay, so
I was right.
these boxes come 20 images, but if you wanted to do multiple sessions with your client and not fill the entire box at once, you can do that by ordering a false bottom. So you could put 10 images in there instead of 20, and the glass front it'll be a great display whether you have no images in there or 10 or you have it full, and we'll look at that in just a minute. This is not your typical white box. This is the new, it's like a black diamond box. I don't know if you can see, it's got this little diamond pattern in it. Ooh, look here, look here. Okay, this has the insert in it for the USB. Okay, I know.
It's a beast.
It is a beast. It's a pretty beast. So this is a walnut wood, right?
Yeah, the walnut, I believe, is sustainably sourced from the Appalachians in the United States, which is really cool. It's the best walnut really in the world.
So you can get white, kind of a cream or an off-white, or a black. I typically sell our clients cream or black. I prefer cream, but if it's something that they're gonna handle a lot, or we have a lot of black and whites, then I do tend to sell blacks. Okay, I'm gonna play with this now, so that
See how it
comes
just
out
pops off with
easy.
the magnetized? Yeah.
And this is very velvety. Okay, and
Put
so
one
then
in.
this. Now this is actually a tempered glass front.
It's not acrylic.
It's not acrylic. I think they started with acrylic, but then they upgraded it. Tempered glass is what you would have, like if you had a door pane on your front door. So it's almost indestructible, but it's real glass, and it's, oh, this is beautiful.
Here we go.
So, look at this. This will just sit up on a table. There you go. Our clients will love this.
Nice.
So we have a lot of clients who we try to sell wall art primarily, and maybe they've already gotten a wall grouping, maybe they've come to us for years and they're like, our walls are just full. And this is when we sell them a folio box. And
And they also say, we're not really album people either.
Right.
We don't pull out albums. We want something to be able to display, and this was like the third leg of the stool. It was a perfect fit for us and for our clients.
For sure, and when, especially the 11x14 size is a good display size for a tabletop, especially when you look at like how small the client, our client's face would be. We would want it to be large enough where it could be seen. So that's when we upgrade them to a larger size. It's when a smaller size, the picture's just too small. So That's beautiful. I'm loving that.
Oh, here are the USB drives. We've got the wood, you see right there, and it's logo laser engraved, and then the crystal one, much the same, engraved on the acrylic. Very cool, very high end.
Well, and again, these are completely customizable. So when you go in to order your box, you pick the box, you pick any USB that you want to go with your box, you pick the color of your bag, it's all customized for you. And what I love about, I don't know if you can see our logo on there, but I put our logo into the system one time. And so now every time I go to order, it's just a one click, and it's really fast and
Very easy.
Now let me put that in here and just see
Okay.
how it, so this one is cut for this size. So yeah, it just slips in there. Perfect. Love that.
Very nice.
I could sell this all day long. The reason I can sell this all day long is because I love it myself. And I think it's much easier to sell something that you really love. Okay.
All right, same kind of box, kind of that diamond pattern. Very, very nice. That really is cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, much the same way as the 11 by 14. This is the 8 by 10,
This is the one that's cut for this USB.
the crystal one.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have not had one of these in your hands before, you don't know the idea of the quality. You really need to have one of these in your hands.
You see how the hinges are inset and hide? Very, very nice.
We got our samples from 3XM, and we got a wood sample and we got the duck egg blue sample. And we were opening up the boxes and we were so excited. And David's cousin was visiting us at the time, who is also a client of ours. And when we opened the wood box, we were so impressed with it, and we passed it over to her, and she physically picked it up and smelled it. And what'd she say?
She said, oh, this smells like money.
And we said, that's a win for us.
This just goes to show you the value that is packed into what 3XM is offering. Not only the display, the USB, the mats, but even the online gallery and the app that comes with it. There is a ton of value that you don't have to pick and choose what you want or what you wish you could come or what you wish you could offer. It's all included, and that's what makes it so nice in ordering from 3XM.
So these are very popular with seniors. This size in particular, because usually people don't
Let's see
want
how it's just-
something massive for seniors, because especially if they have siblings, they have to do the same thing for everyone. So what we typically will purchase or will sell to a senior is they will get a, you want this one in there?
Sure.
They will get a wall portrait, and then the rest of their favorite images they will get in a folio box or an album.
Look at that, just snaps into place.
Oh, nice. That's so easy.
So, we just wanted to show you what an unboxing looked like with 3XM. We were just as excited to get it as hopefully you are in watching unboxing what we're doing. So,
Yeah, we are
Thanks
getting
for-
ready to have a proofing and purchasing session, and I'm gonna go sell one of these right now.
thanks so much, guys.
Bye.